At number 5, we have the ECOVACS DEEBOT N20 Plus. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It excels with reliable hands-free cleaning through its bagless auto-empty station, effortlessly handling debris for weeks without manual intervention. Its 8,000 pascals suction power tackles dust and pet hair effectively across hard floors and low-pile carpets, supported by a zero-tangle brush that minimizes hair wrap. The LiDAR-based navigation maps rooms systematically, avoiding falls with cliff sensors and creating editable no-go zones through the intuitive app, though basic infrared obstacle detection requires tidying smaller items beforehand. The static mop attachment provides adequate scrubbing for light spills on hard surfaces, though separate vacuum mop cycles are necessary. With a 300-minute runtime, it comfortably cleans large areas while automatically returning to recharge. Voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant add convenience, and the 4-stage filtration captures allergens for cleaner air. While lacking advanced features like auto-lifting mops or AI object recognition, its straightforward operation and consistent performance make it ideal for simpler layouts needing dependable daily maintenance.